Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background in Google Slide. Okay, so here I have already slide here. I'm showing you. So when you click on any object or text or image, then here you can see the option, the background option will not show you. But if you want to change background of slide, then you have to select the slide. You have to click on slide. Then this option will come, or you can just click right side and go to the change background, and this option will come. Now you can change the color from here. Okay, so you can see the background color will be changed, and you can also change background with image. You can also reset if you want to change with background image background. Just click on image. Now you can upload new image from your computer. You can click the image from your camera. You can also paste the URL of image here. You can also take photos from your drive or mobile. This is your mobile photos, this is Google Drive photos, and here you can search the image in Google also. Okay, so I just search uh, green background. So you can see I can take this background. I can take from Google Drive also. I just take this one. Okay, you have to just click and have to insert and just click OK. So background will be changed. Okay, you can see the background has been changed. Okay, if you click on change background, here you can see the color and image. You can also click on image and you can change on layout also. And if you want more colors, so I suggest you one website which I use, which is colors.com, which is very useful. Okay, you will find the every patterns here. So let it open first. I will show you how you can add the colors from here to your Google slide. So here you can see the all patterns. Go to the tools and go to the explore patterns. In explore patterns you will see the all patterns like colors, combination colors, everything. Yeah, you can see likes also. You can, if you want to add more trending color, you can see also trending color here. So this is 22k likes. I want to add this background. Just click on it, then this will copy. Now go to the Google slide, click on background, go to the background, and here go to the color, go to the custom here, and here you have to just replace this code after this slash. Just click OK, then background will be changed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.